Welcome to Universal Spares India Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of electrical cables and wiring harness assemblies. An ISO 9001-2008, FIS, UL, and CE certified company, incepted in the year 1965. We manufacture products under the brand name Everest. International quality standards, sophisticated machinery, and cost-effective prices are some of the key factors behind our success. We offer a wide assortment of house wiring, switchboard cables and radio frequency coaxial cables. Our fire alarm cables, wiring harness assemblies, and molded power cords are in huge demand across the global markets. Twisted pair data transmission cables, UL/CSA approved wires, and UL approved cables are extremely reliable. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of submersible, microphone, and FRLS cables. We are one of the trusted names of the industry engaged in offering genuine quality equipment wires, CATV coaxial, and CCTV cables. We are engaged in offering supreme quality CE-approved cables, LTXLPE, and LTPVC power, that are highly efficient. For more information, log on at www.everestcables.co.in.